Hi, it's Kim from Sales for Non-Salespeople, here today with my good friend Lori Saitz, who is a networking specialist, and we wanted to address the subject of whether it is possible to have a conversation without asking questions. So we're going to attempt to do that and just see what the results are. Hopefully, you will also see what we are hoping to illustrate. So here we go.
Let's try it.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Kim.
Nice to meet you.
You too. So, the sky is really gray today.
It's supposed to rain.
I don't like rain.
Rain is good for the flower.
That's true, but I still don't like rain.
Rain is nice.
I prefer sun.
Sun makes it hot.
Well, that is true, but we have air conditioning.
Yes, air conditioning. Or you could open the windows.
I do like that. I prefer it when the sun is shining and I can open the windows and get some fresh air.
Fresh air is nice.
Yes, it makes things smell good.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do you open your windows? Oh, see? I couldn't do it. We didn't even make it a minute. So, Lori, how did that go? Exactly. How did that go?
Not well.
No, so we were not able to make a connection.
That was really not a very substantial conversation.
No, and I guess I learned something about you. You like rain because it makes plants and flowers grow. But
Sure.
What could I do with that information? I hope you're able to see that you cannot have a conversation without asking questions.
It's not a good conversation anyway.
No, exactly. It is impossible to make a connection with somebody without being able to engage that other person by, you need to ask questions for further understanding and for clarity and to keep the conversation moving. So, we had a little bit of fun with this today. I think we've shown that it is really maybe not impossible, but certainly very difficult and pretty ineffective to have a conversation without asking questions. So in our next video, what we're going to do is talk about what sorts of questions really help make a conversation go from being just a surface level conversation into something more engaging. And I hope you'll join us.
See you there.